Why I switched to the DJI Mic 2. One, it's a lot smaller than the Rode that I had previously. I also think it sounds better if you're using the actual microphone itself and not a plugged-in microphone, because that shouldn't make a difference. It's also got 32-bit float, which means you can basically clip your audio, but that doesn't matter because you've got a safety backup channel recorded into the microphone itself. We also have that it's a smaller form factor, so it looks a little bit nicer. Don't get me wrong, it's shiny, it's glossy, it's got the DJI logo on the front of it, which I didn't like about the Rode, and I don't like about the DJI. However, I think the sound quality in the 32-bit float outweighs that. Another reason why I prefer it to the Rode is that it comes with a charging case, and they've just magnetised in, whereas the Rode, I had to buy one separately. I know that Rode did eventually come out with one, but it was like quite expensive compared to the 30 quid shit one I bought off eBay, or Amazon, or wherever it was. And also I had to plug the USB into the USB-C port, which I didn't like, whereas these will just magnetise into the little case, and I think that it's great. And also, this has auto on with the camera, so it can save your battery. It's just superior. I got it for 170 quid off eBay. I got it quite cheap off eBay, so I'm not going to complain. And I also bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which come with one, which is where I tested it, which is how I know that I prefer it to the Rode. I've sold the Rode. However, the person who I've sold the Rode to is trying to claim that the receiver doesn't work, and it clearly did because I used it for God knows how long and did without any issues by that one time. But it's the same issue that they've had, so I think it's because I've reset it. So fingers crossed when I get it back and have to give them a refund because eBay's a gig like that. Then fingers crossed I can sell it again. I'm probably going to do it to CEX, so then that I'd have to find out if it still goes wrong. CEX will cover the customer, and I don't have to, and it's not my problem. Anyway, you might also be thinking, why didn't you go for the DJI Mic 3? Because I wanted the ability, because I can record it like this with it on my chest, or with the DJI Mic 2, I can plug in a microphone to the top of it and then use it like a professional lavalier microphone kit. Whereas the Mic 3, you can't do that because, you know, why would they make a product for a specific type of fucking audience and then take away pro features? Doesn't make sense. This is the first proper video that you're hearing it. Let me know what you think of the sound quality down below. If you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. So yeah, I've been Ben with Start to Finish TV, and I'll see you in the next video.